Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our history, chapter number 13, India after Independence, part 1. When India became independent, she faced many challenges, and Britishers left India that had been pushed back to the medieval ages. Not only this, Vita, there were so many challenges before India which needed immediate solution. First challenge was to integrate princely states. Second one, rehabilitation of the refugees. Third, solving economic problems and ensure development. Fourth, draft a constitution for the future India. Let us discuss these points. Number one, beta, integration of the princely state. When we got independence at that time, India was having more than 550 princely states, and these states were ruled by Maharaja or Nawabs. The responsibility to join these princely states in India was given to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Bitter, almost all the states joined India, but three were left. They were Kashmir, Junagadh, and Hyderabad. They remained undecided for a long time, but later, after the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, they agreed to join India. Rehabilitation of the refugees. As we all know, that at that time the two countries were made, and that was Pakistan and India. So many people from Pakistan migrated to India, and these peoples were homeless and jobless. But it was the big challenge before the government of India to rehabilitate them and to give employment for them. Solving the economic difficulties. At that time, India was having many economic difficulties because most of the rice and wheat producing area went into Pakistan at the time of division. And not only this, but this led to the shortage of food in India. And many industries faced shortage of raw material like jute and cotton industry, because these jute and cotton growing areas also went into Pakistan. And next problem was the to provide irrigation facilities, because it was almost non-existent at that time. So government had to find out solution of these all problems. Framing a constitution was another big challenge before the government of India at that time. But India needed a constitution for itself. So the Constituent Assembly was given the responsibility to make a constitution. The chairman of the drafting committee was B.R. Ambedkar, and he played very important role in framing the constitution. That is why B.R. Ambedkar is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. The committee completed its work on 26 November 1949, but it was adopted on 26 January 1950. Since that day, this day is celebrated as our Republic Day. Let us talk about some features of the Constitution of India. Number one, equality before law. Beta, it is declared in our constitution that all Indians, irrespective of their caste, religion, and gender, are equal before the law of the country. People of all caste, communities, reason, and religion would enjoy the same right. No person would face any kind of discrimination. Special privileges for disadvantaged Indians. Better the framers of our constitution were knowing very nicely that for the centuries some sections of the society had been deprived and discriminated against. So they made special provisions by granting them reservations in legislature and government jobs. They believe that this will help these sections to uplift their social and economic status. Universal adult franchising. The Constitution granted all Indian citizens above the age of 21 the right to vote in the elections and choose their leader. Another main thing which is written in our constitution is three list. The constitution divided powers between the central government and the state government. Better, there are three lists in which different subjects are mentioned. Number one, union list. It is the list in which subjects are given which will be looked by the central government. State list. In this beta, there are the subjects related or will be solved or looked after by the state government. Third list is concurrent list. In this list, the subjects are joint responsibility of central and state government. Thank you. That's all in this part of the chapter.